Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the Land Cruiser to ACC so the head unit is active. This ensures it can be discovered. Next, enable Bluetooth and make your phone visible so the receiver can find it. If your phone asks for a pairing code, have common pins like 0000 or 1234 ready. The manual may list a default. Once done, switch the head unit to Bluetooth mode or phone mode so the receiver will actively search for devices. You now focus on the head unit menus. Choose phone or Bluetooth, then pick Add Device or Pair so the system scans. While it searches, keep your phone on the Bluetooth list screen. This increases chance of a smooth match. When the head unit shows your phone name, select it and compare the PIN displayed on both screens. Confirming the PIN prevents accidental pairing with other devices. Make sure Phone prompts to allow contacts and call access so hands-free works properly. Finish by granting call and contact permissions on your phone so the system can access caller ID and phone book. This makes hands-free calling seamless. You should then test with a short call and play audio to verify microphone and speaker routing. If something isn't working, say no audio or failed pairing, restart both the phone and the head unit, delete old pairings, and retry. This resets Bluetooth caches and resolves most issues quickly. If problems persist, check for head unit firmware or consult a dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.